My dear students, welcome to DICE Academy. Today we can go for a new topic in reasoning, number series. It will come in reasoning as well as arithmetic also. This topic is very important in all competitive examinations like bank, SSC, railways, and also in academic exams like ICET, CAT, MAT. So this is very important. You will get in every examination 3 to 4 bits. Very important. So today we can discuss about this topic. See here, when you have to do the number series, you have to follow some rules. Generally, the given series, first check out is it is a prime number series. Actually, what are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. Prime numbers means a number which is divisible by 1 and itself. A number which is divisible by itself and divisible by 1 and itself means a prime number have only two factors, that is 1 and itself factor. The numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, suppose they take 2. 2 is divisible by 1 and itself 2. If you go for take 7 number, 7 divisible by 1 and itself 7. That's why that we can call the prime numbers. Next, you can go for the second one. Second property is even numbers or odd numbers. What are even numbers? You know, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. These are even numbers. If you go for odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7 so on are odd numbers. Square numbers are cube numbers. This is very important in number series. Most of the problems will come on the square numbers and cube numbers only. So compulsory we have to go for square numbers. We have to write down up to minimum 30 numbers, 30 to 40. If it is better to go for 50 also. Cube numbers minimum 10. Minimum 10 or 15. It is enough for it. So first of all, you have to practice in home as square numbers and cube numbers. If you have any doubt, I will give you a small table here also after completion of this one. Because the numbers are very important. Without knowing the square numbers and cube numbers, we can't do number series. Next, difference of the series. Next, multiplication series. In the given problem, observe the difference. If there is a chance of difference, you can go for that series. Multiple series means there is a chance of multiplication. 2, 4, 8. There is a chance of multiplication of 2 number. So first of all, observe these rules. After observing these rules, we can do the problems. Just 20 seconds take time and write down this one. We can go for I will write some square numbers on the board. You can write down that one. It is very important. Without knowing square numbers and cube numbers, you don't do the problems. Now see here, I am giving you some basic square numbers and cube numbers for you. And just write down these numbers. Why? Because square numbers and cube numbers are very important to do the problems in number series. So generally already all of you know up to 10. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. That's why I am not writing up to 10. I am going from 11 square. 11 square is 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196 and so on. Up to I have written up to 30. Minimum 30 is important. You can write down 50 also. I hope 50 is the best way. But I am giving only up to 30 numbers. You can write down up to 50. It is better for you. And I am giving the cube numbers also. Cube numbers, 1 cube is 1. 1 cube means 1 into 1, 3 times 1 into 1 into 1. 2 cube means 2 into 2, 3 times 8. 3 cube means 27. 4 cube 64. 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 710, 10 cube 1000. These are very important. If you know these values, then only number series is very easy for you. So compulsory write down these in a rough notes for you with these numbers. Just take 20 seconds time, write down. Now you can go for the problems. Okay. Now come to the problems. The first problem is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. So if you observe these numbers, you can get an idea. These are all even numbers. Sari Sankhyalu. 2, 4, 6. If not, the difference is 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, so on. So these are all even numbers. What is the next number? Even number is nothing but 14 is the even number. These are all even numbers. Sari Sankhyalu, even numbers. So the numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. The next number is 14. If not, another process is there. Take plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So the value series is so on, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Therefore the required answer is 14 is the correct answer. This is the first one. Go for the second one. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. If you observe these numbers 1, 3, 5, these are all odd numbers. 1, whenever you get the 1 as odd, 1 means it is not a 1. Already if you get the 1 means it is not a prime number series. Prime numbers are starting from 2. That's why this is compulsory a odd number series. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. The next odd number is 13 is the next odd number. The next odd number is 13 is the next odd number. So this is odd number series. Next, if you go for this one, 114, 116, 118, 120, 122. This is also a even number series. Even numbers 114, 116, 118. So every time it is adding plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Plus 2 plus 2, so the value becomes 122 plus 2, the value becomes 124 is the required answer. If you come to the next problem also, 95, 97, 99, 101, 103, these are also odd numbers. The odd number series, once again odd number series. If not, you can take it as plus 2 series. 95 plus 2, 97, 97 plus 2, 99, 99 plus 2, 101 and so on. So 103 plus 2, the value becomes 105. The series is 105. This is also odd number series. If you come to this one, this problem, 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. These are all prime numbers, Pradhana Sankhyalu. 2, 3, 5, 7. The next prime number is what? 11 is the prime number. So these are all prime numbers. These are all prime numbers. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. The next prime number is 11, not 9. 9 is not a prime number. Next prime number is 11 is a prime number. If you go for this one also, 13, 17, 19, 23. These are also prime numbers. What is the next prime number? 24 is not, 25 not, 26 not, 27 not, 28 not, 29 is the correct answer. 29 is the prime number. What is the definition of prime number? Already I told you. What is the definition of prime number? A number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called prime number. ఏదైనా ఒక నెంబర్ ఒకటితోని మరి అదే నెంబర్తో డివిజిబుల్ అయితే దట్ నెంబర్ వీ కెన్ కాల్ ద ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్. రైట్ డౌన్ దిస్ వన్, యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ బిట్స్. టేక్ 20 seconds time for it. Now come to next problems. See the problem 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 dash. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. First of all, you can observe the difference. 4 minus 1, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. Now we are getting any chance of difference. So if you observe, these are all nothing but square numbers. All are square numbers. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. What is the next number? That is nothing but 6 square. So the answer is 36 is the answer. 6 square So the numbers are 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. The next number is 6 square, 36 is the required answer. Now go for the next problem. He was given 4, 16, 36, 64 dash. If you observe these numbers, these are also square numbers. 4 means 2 square, 16 means 4 square, 36 means 6 square, 8 square. If you observe the numbers, 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square. Here in the denominator, here the values are even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8. The next even number is 10. That is 10 square. 10 square is nothing but 100. 10 square is 100. So the sequence is, here the value becomes how much? 10 square is 100 is the required value. 100 is the required value. Now come to this problem. 100, 144, 196, 256. 100 means this is also square number. 10 square, 10 square, this is 12 square, this is 14 square, this is 16 square. 10 square is 100, 12 square, 144, 14 square, 196, 16 square, 256. These are also even numbers, 10, 12, 14, 16. Next even number is 18. 18 square. 18 square is nothing but 324. 18 square is nothing but 324 is the required answer. Now go for this problem. 1, 9, 25, 49 dash. So these are all also square numbers with odd numbers. This is 1 square, this is 3 square, this is 5 square, this is 7 square. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. The next odd number is 9. These are not prime numbers. Why? Because 1 is there. Whenever 1 is there, these are not a prime numbers. So you can go for 9 square. 9 square means 81. 9 square means 81 is the next square number. Come to this one, 121, this is 11 square, 169 means 13 square, 15 square, 17 square. These are also odd numbers. 11 square, 13 square, 15 square, 17 square, there are odd numbers, square numbers, odd numbers, square numbers. Next odd number is 19 square. 19 square is 361. 19 square is 361. Write down this one, take 20 second time. Now go for the next new method. Now come to next problem. First of all, write down these three problems. Take 20 seconds time for you. Write down the problems. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 dash. 8, 64, 216, 512 dash. 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 dash. Now see the first problem. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. If you observe these numbers, these are all nothing but cube numbers. See, we already have given data for the cube numbers. This is nothing but 1 means 1 cube. 1 means 1 cube. 8 means 2 cube. 27 means 3 cube. 64 means 4 cube. 125 means 5 cube. Here we are getting 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. What is the next answer? You know already there is 6 cube. What is the value of 6 cube is nothing but 216. 6 cube is nothing but 216. 6 cube is nothing but 216. Now come to the next problem. Here he was given 8, 64, 216, 512 dash. 8, 64, 216, 512 dash. So 8 means 2 cube. 2 cube. This is 4 cube. 64, 4 cube. 216, 6 cube. This is 8 cube. 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube, 8 cube. Here all are even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the next cube? 2, 4, 6, 8. The next is nothing but 10. 10 cube. 10 cube is how much? 1000 is the answer. 10 cube is nothing but 10 cube is nothing but 1000 is the required value. Now come to the next problem. 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 and so on. Here by observing the numbers, these are not square numbers, these are not cube numbers. Then there is no chance of square numbers and cube numbers, and also these are not prime numbers also, because 14 is there. That's why these are not prime numbers. Whenever this type of series comes, just to see, observe the difference. You can get an idea. Difference 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, the difference is 3. 11 minus 8, the difference is 3. 14 minus 11, the difference is 3. 17 minus 14, the difference is 3. Yes, all difference is 3. You can check out like this also. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Now 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3, the answer is 20 is the correct answer. 17 plus 3, the required 20. I will give another more problems on this one. First write on this one, take 20 seconds. I will go for the next method. Now do the three problems, same model problems as previous. Check out, try, take 20 seconds time and do it. 7, 11, 15, 19, 23 dash. 7, 11, 15, 19, 23 dash. 11, 17, 23, 29, 35 dash. Third one is 7, 8, 10, 13, 17. So try it. So this topic is very important. I told you. You will get in all competitive examinations like bank, SSC, railways, DRDO, MTS, and also essay constables also. Today I am teaching you the basic questions. If you know this basic chapter, it's enough for you. You can do the problems in any way. But number series is you can get vast number of models. So that's why I am giving a brief description for you. By learning this series, you can get a good idea definitely. So, but you have to go for more practice on number series. Why? Because we can't expect at the time of examination the model. So that's why do practice more and more on number series. It is easy and also tough also sometimes. We can't get an idea at the time of examination. After examination, you get the idea. That's why if you do more practice, you can get more number of ideas. That's why this is a easy topic and also a tough topic also. That's why more practice on this one. It is very important. You will get questions in so many competitive examinations like essay constables, railways, SSC, bank, eyesight, MBA, MCA, CAT and so on also. That's very important. Right. Now, okay, come to the problem. 7, 11, 15, 19, 23. So now here the difference is 11 minus 7, the value is 4. So 4, 15 minus 11, 4, 19 minus 15, 4, 23 minus 19, 4. So every time he was dead, the difference is 4. Or 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 4, 23. So now 23 plus 4, the value is 27 is the answer. 23 plus 4, the value is 27 is the first answer. Now same model, this one also. 17 minus 11, the value is 6. 23 minus 17, the value is 6. 29 minus 20, the value is 6. 35 minus 29, the value is 6. Or 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 6, 23 and so on. So plus 6, 35 plus 6, the value is 41. 35 plus 6, the value is 41 is the required answer. Now come to this problem. 8 minus 7 1, 10 minus 8 2, 13 minus 11 3, 17 minus 13 4. Here observing the difference here 1 2 3 4, you can get an idea automatically what is the next difference. You will get 5. 1 2 3 4, the next is 5. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 5. 17 plus 5 is 22 is the answer. 17 plus 5, the value is 22. So this is the series. Just take down. I will go for next method. Do the problems on the board. 2 problems are there. 7 comma 9 comma 13 comma 19 comma 27 dash. Next second one 6 7 10 15 23 dash. Take 10 seconds time and do it. Same model, find out the difference, you can get an idea. So tell me what is the difference. 9 minus 7 2, 13 minus 9 difference is 4, 19 minus 13 the difference is 6, 27 minus 19 the difference is 8. Difference is 8. So in here the difference is 2 4 6 8. Next difference how much? Automatically 10. Now check out. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 6 19, 19 plus 8 27, 19 plus 8 27, 27 plus 10 how much? 37. 27 plus 10 37 is the answer. So the first answer is 37 is the required answer. Now go to the second problem. 7 minus 6 1, 10 minus 7 3, 15 minus 10 5, 23 minus 15 I hope 8. 8 or 7? 8. 1 3 5. So here we are getting odd numbers. 7 minus 6 1, 10 minus 7 minus 10 minus 7 3, 15 minus 10 5. So here you will get as 7 I hope 5 plus 3. No, you will get it. So this number is a wrong number. Here you can take it as only 22. 22 not 23. Now 22 minus 15 the value is 7. So now see, check out the values. The difference is 1 3 5 7. These are all odd numbers. Here 1 is there, not prime numbers. These are odd numbers. What is the next odd number means? The next odd number is 9. The next odd number is 9. Now 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 7 22, 22 plus 9, 22 plus 9 the value is 31 is the required answer. 22 plus 9 the value is 31 is the required answer. Write down this one, go for the next problem. Now go for the next problem. 7, 8, 12, 21, 37 dash. Next problem 11, 12, 21, 46, 95 dash. First of all, check out the difference. You can get an idea. Now see here. 8 minus 7 the difference is 1. 12 minus 8 the difference is 4, 21 minus 12 the difference is 9, 37 minus 21 the difference is 16. So now observe the differences 1, 4, 9, 16 means these are all square numbers. That is 1 square 1, 2 square 2, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. What is the next number? That is 5 square. 5 square means 25. 25 here. Now 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 9 21, 21 plus 16 37, 37 plus 25, 37 plus this 25, The value is equal to 7 plus 5, 12, 62 is the correct answer. The value is 62 is the correct answer. This is the first one. Now go for the second problem. 12 minus 11, 1. 21 minus 12. 21 minus 12, the value is 8, I hope. Not 8, 9. 9. Next 46 minus 21, I hope 25. 95 minus 46. 95 minus 46, the value becomes how much? 49. 49 means it is not 49. Okay. 15 minus 11, 9. 15 minus 6, 9. 5 is there. 5 minus 5 minus here the 8 is there. 4, 49. Okay, 49 is there. 49. Okay, 49 is the difference. So now check out the values here. 1, 9, 25, 49 means these are nothing but 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. These are odd numbers, square numbers. So next odd number square is nothing but 9 square. 9 square is 81. Now add 95 plus 81. 95 plus 81. 5 plus 1, 6. 8 plus 9 plus 8, 17. So the required answer is 176 is the required answer. My dear students, you have to observe it very carefully when the difference, you have to observe the difference carefully. So do it slowly and carefully. This is a very important topic. Now you can go over there, take 20 seconds time, write down, you can go for the next model. Now come to next new model. 13, 14, 22, 49, 113 dash. Second one 7, 10, 16, 25, 37 dash. Try it, take 20 seconds time for you. Okay, we can see the difference here. 14 minus 13, the value is 1. 22 minus 14, the value is 8. Difference is 8. 49 minus 22, the difference is 27. 113 minus 49, the difference is 64. 64. So now observe the values here. In the values are 1, 8, 27, 64. These are all cube numbers. 1 cube means 1, 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27, 4 cube means 64. So the next value is 5 cube. 5 cube means 125. So the answer is 113. 113 plus 125. The required value is 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1, 2. So the required answer is 238 is the correct answer. 238 is the required answer for the problem. Now come to the next problem here. Next problem. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7, 3. 16 minus 10, 6. 25 minus 16, 9. 37 minus 25, 12. So observe the value 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. This is nothing but 3 multiplication table. 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12, next 3 fives are 15, 3 fives are 15, here it is the difference 15. Once I check out, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, next 3 fives are 15. So now we add 37 plus 15, 37 plus 15, the value is 52 is the required answer. 52 is the required value. Write on this one, you can go for the next method. Now come to the next method. First one, 11, 15, 23, 35, 51 dash. Next one, 7, 9, 13, 21, 37 dash. Next one, 6, 8, 14, 32, 86 dash. Do the problems. Take 20 seconds time for you. Take 20 seconds time for you and do the problems. Same model, just find out the difference, you can get an idea. If you have any doubts, already I told you, WhatsApp to my number. This is my number, 9676146591. You can message to that WhatsApp number. Definitely I will give you a response for you. Okay, don't do in the morning times because I will be busy with the classes only. So just WhatsApp, don't the call, just WhatsApp the message to my number. I will definitely give the response for all the doubts. Okay, if not in the if it is a very good doubt, I will definitely explain the next class also. Now check out this problem. 11, 15, 23, 35, 51. Find out the difference, you can get an idea. 15 minus 11, the value is 4. 23 minus 15, the value is 8. 35 minus 23, the difference is 12. 51 minus 35. 51 35 means by adding 15, 16 is the difference. 16 is the difference. So the difference here, observe, 4, 8, 12, 16. Now it is a 4 table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Next, what is that? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 16, 4 5s are 20. So by adding 51 plus 20, by adding these two numbers, 51 plus 20, the answer is 71 is the correct answer. 11 plus 4, 15, like that. 15 plus 8, 20. 51 plus 20, the required answer is 71 is the required answer. This is the first problem. Go for the next problem. 9 minus 7, 2. 13 minus 9, 4. 21 minus 13, the value becomes 8. 37 minus 21, the value is 16. So in that here the difference is in the difference 2, 4, 8, 16. It is going double. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. Double. Either 2 becomes 4, double. 4 becomes double, 8. 8 becomes double, 16. 16 becomes double. 16 becomes double, the value becomes 32. 32 is the next number. I mean, adding these two numbers, 37 plus 32. 37 plus 32, the value becomes 7 plus 2, 9. 3 plus 3, 6. So the required answer is 69 is the correct answer. 69 is the correct answer. Now come to this problem. 8 minus 6, 2. 14 minus 8, 6. 32 minus 14. 32 minus 14. 12 minus this is 18. Next the value 86 minus 32. 86 minus 32, the value is 54. Now the difference becomes 2, 6, 8, 60, 18, 64 and so on. It is nothing but 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18 into 3, 54. Now the next number becomes 54 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 1 is there. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. 162 we have to add. 86 plus 162. 86 plus 162. So 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 1 is there, 248. So the required answer is 248 is the required answer. Just note on the in the above problem also it is nothing but 2 table, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16 and so on. Write down, take 20 seconds and write down. We can go for the next problem. Okay, now come to next new model problems. 7, 12, 22, 42, 82 dash, 7, 10, 15, 18, 23 dash, 11, 15, 21, 25, 31, 35 dash, 11, 12, 13, 15, 19, 22, 31, 35 dash. Just take 20 seconds time, do it. I will give 20 seconds time for you. Do the problems. By doing practice, you can get an idea. Why? Because if you don't do, it's useless. I am taking the class for you. So that's why try it. I am giving another time for you also, 20 seconds to 30 seconds. Try it. Your mind will be active. Okay, done. Check here. Check out the problems. 12 minus 7, 5. 22 minus 12, 10. 42 minus 22, 20. 82 minus 42, 40. Okay, the difference is here. I mean, the difference becomes 5, 10, 20, 40 and so on. Meaning is nothing but into 2. 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 2, 20. 20 into 2, 40. Now it becomes 40 into 2, 80. So the answer is 82 plus 80. The answer is 82 plus 80, 162 is the answer. The required answer is 162 is the required answer. First one is 162. Go for the next problem. 10 minus 7, 3. 15 minus 10, 5. 18 minus 5, 3. 15, 3. 23 minus 18, 5. So now here observe the difference. What is observe the difference is 3, 5, 3, 5 and so on. So 3, 5, 3, 5. Next is once again 3. So 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Like that. 23 plus 3, 26 is the required answer. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 3, 26 is the correct answer. 26 is the correct answer. Second one. Now come to this problem. 15 minus 11, 4. 21 minus 15, 6. 25 minus 21, 4. 31 minus 25, 6. 35 minus 31, 4. Okay. Once again the difference is like this. 4, 6, 4, 6, 4 and so on. So the next difference is 6. 35 plus 6. 35 plus 6, 41 is the required answer. 35 plus 6, 41 is the required value. 41 is the required value. This is the third problem. Now come to the next problem. 12 minus 11, 1. 13 minus 12, 1. 15 minus 13, 2. 19 minus 15, 4. 22 minus 19, 22 minus 19, 3. 31 minus 22, 9. 31 minus 35, 35 minus 31, 4. So if you observe the difference, you can't get an idea. The difference is like that. 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4. We can't understand what is the difference. We are not under the clarity of the difference. So then check out why the difference is 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4. You can get an idea. Oh, okay, I can get an idea like this. This is the, I hope this is the series. 1 square is 1 only. 2 square is 4 is the right answer. Now this 3 square 9. Yes, I am getting the idea. Now it is 4. Next, what happened? 4 square. 4 square is how much? 16. Now we add these two things. 35 plus 16. 35 plus 16, the value is how much? 51. So the answer is, the process is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. This is the method. So take 20 seconds time and write on this one. We can go for the next problems. Now come to next problems. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 dash, 13, 14, 16, 19, 24, 32 dash, 7, 20, 46, 85 dash. Now you can go for the difference. 2 minus 1, 1, okay. 3 minus 2, 1, okay. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. No, we are not getting an idea. 1, 1, 2, 3 and so on. 13 minus 8, 5. No, we are getting any idea. So there is no chance of difference here. So next, what is the idea behind this one, this series? This is nothing but a Fibonacci series actually. By observing the series, you can get an idea. This is a Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series means sum of the first two terms. The sum of the first two terms is equal to third term. Fibonacci series means sum of the two terms is equal to previous term. Sum of the previous two terms is equal to the third term. See here, 1 plus 2, how much? 3. 2 plus 3, how much? 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 8 plus 13, 8 plus 13, 21. So sum of the two previous terms. So 13 plus 21, 13 plus 21. What is the answer is 3 plus 1, 4, 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is 34 is the correct answer. So this is a Fibonacci series. Actually, we will get in the computer programming also. Fibonacci series means sum of the two previous terms is equal to the third term. That is the Fibonacci series. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 8 plus 13, 21 and so on. That is the series. Now come to here, this one. 13, 14, 16. Now once again we can go for the difference, you can get an idea. 14 minus 13, 1. For 16 minus 14, 2. 19 minus 3. 24 minus this one, 5. Next 32 minus this one, 8. If you observe the difference, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. This is a Fibonacci series. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. This is a difference is a Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. Already in the board is there 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. But the next one, 13. So here you will get as 13. 13 is the required value. So 32 plus 13. 32 plus 13. The required answer is 32 plus 13. The required answer is 45 is the required answer. 32 plus 13. The required answer is 45 is the required value. Now come to the next last problem, this one. 20 minus 7, 13. 46 minus 20, 26. 85 minus 46, 39. So in the difference 13, 26, 13. It is clear an idea. It is a 13 table. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39. Next 13 fours, how much? 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52. 13 fours are 52. 52. So add 85 plus 52. 85 plus 52. This is nothing but a 13 table. 13 table. 13 table. So here by 85 plus 15 adding 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 5 13. So the answer is 137 is the correct answer. Take 20 seconds time, write on this one. Now come to these problems. Up to now we have seen the values are increasing. Now these three problems are decreasing series. Up to now we have done the problems as increasing series. The values are increased. Now here the values are decreased. 119, 116, 113, 110, 107. These are decreasing. 119 becomes 116 means minus 3. 116 becomes 130 means by subtracting minus 3, minus 3, 110. 110 minus 3, 107. So automatically 107 minus 3, 104 is the required answer. This is a decreasing series. Simply decreasing series, subtracting minus 3 and so on. Come to this problem. 117 minus 114, the value becomes minus 3. 114 minus the value becomes 108 means minus 6. 114 minus 6, the value becomes 108. 108. Next 108 becomes 99 means how much? 9 minus 9. So it is nothing but a 3 table. It is nothing but a 3 table. Minus 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Next 3 table 12. So we have to minus 12. Minus 12. 99 minus 12. The value becomes 9 minus 2 7. 9 minus 1 8. So the required answer is 87 is the correct answer. The values becomes 3 6 9 12. So that's why the answer is 87 is the correct answer. Now come to this problem. 116 minus 115 minus 1. 115 minus 111 minus 4. Minus 4. Next 111 minus 102. 111 minus 102. It becomes I hope 9. 9. 102 plus 9, that becomes what value? Next it becomes 16. 16. So if you observe the values, this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Next how much? 5 square, that is minus 25. These are values 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Next 5 square 25. 86 minus 25, 6 minus 5 1, 8 minus 2 6. So the correct answer is 61 is the correct answer. These 3 problems are nothing but decreasing series. Just write and take 20 seconds and write down. So once again I am telling for you. So by preparing this series, you can go for examination practice, means you have to buy our package, DICE Academy package. Whatever examination you are preparing, if you go for bank exams, go for a bank exam package. You can see, you can download application, our application DICE Academy application. You can get an idea. If you have any doubts to buy a purchase, call to this number, we will tell you. So by knowing these problems, that is not enough for you. Go for practice for the examinations. We have given so many examinations in our application. Just buying the application, you can get so many examinations. Then go for the practice. That practice is very important. Buy our package, you can get a good idea. Next problems. Come to next problems. See the problems. 11, 14, 9, 12, 7, 10 dash. If you observe this problem, the first problem, 11 becomes 14 means plus 3. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 becomes 9 means minus 5. 9 becomes 12 means plus 3. 12 becomes 7 means minus 5. 7 plus 3. So here the series is plus 3 minus 5 plus 3 minus 5 plus 3. Next it is minus 5. So 10 minus 5, how much? 5 is the answer. 10 minus 5, 5 is the answer. The first one is, the required answer is the series in the difference is plus 3 minus 5 plus 3 minus 5 and so on. So the required answer is 5 is the required answer. Now come to the next problem. 13 becomes 17 means plus 4. 17 becomes 11 means minus 6. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 minus 6, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 minus 6, 7. Now once again the same problem. Plus 4 minus 6 plus 4 minus plus 1 6. Now once again it is plus 4. 7 plus 4, 11 is the answer. 7 plus 4, 11 is the required answer. 11 is the required answer. Now come to the next problem. 2, 10, 4, 8, 6, 6 dash. I hope this is a 2, 10. There is no chance of difference there. Large numbers are there. So this is nothing but a double series actually. This is nothing but a double series. 2, 4, 6 dash. This is a series. So 2, 4, 6. Next, what is the number? 2, 4, 6. Next number is 8. Next number is 8. Suppose if another dash is there, 10, 8, 6 dash. Here the value becomes every time decreasing. 10, 8, decreasing, minus 2, decreasing, minus 2. So if the dash is there, here the value becomes 4. But the dash is not there. That's why the answer is only first one, 8 is the required answer. This is a double series. I have second, this one also double series only. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here the stop. Now the dash is there. So 10, 10, 10, 10. This also 10. So the correct answer is 10 is the correct answer. 10 is the correct answer. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 is the correct answer. Now come to the last problem. This one. 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. Very easy. Just doubling the value. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 2, 24. 24 into 48. 48 into 2. So the answer is 96. 96 is the correct answer. Just take 20 seconds time and write on this one. We can go for the next problem. We are coming to ending. Write on this problem. First write down these problems, afterwards there is a chance of confusion. Write down the problems. 2, 6, 18, 54 dash, 2, 2, 4, 12, 48, 240 dash, 3, 6, 18, 36, 108 dash, 2, 4, 16, 96, 768 dash, 2, 3, 7, 22, 89 dash. Now see here, this is nothing but directly into 3, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 3, 84, 18, 18 into 3, 54, 54 into 3, 54 into 3. So 4 3s are 12, 1 is there, 15 plus 1, 162 is the answer. 162 is the required answer. Just into 3 and so on. Now come here, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 4, 48, 48 into 5, 240. Into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5. Next, this is nothing but into 6. 0 into 6, 0. 6 into 4, 24. 2 is there. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14, 40 is the correct answer. Into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4. So, this is the second problem. Now, come to this one. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18 into 2, 36. 36 into 3, 108. If you observe the values here, into 2, into 3, into 2, into 3. Next it is into 2 only. Into 2, 108 into 2, the value is 216. 108 into 2, into 2, into 3, into 3 and so on. So the value is 216. Okay, now come to the problem, this one. 2 into 2, 4. Next, 4 into 4, 4 into 4, 16. Next, 16 4 into 4, 16 4 no, 16 6 16 6 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 16, 16 into 6 96. So by observing the values, so here 2 4 6, next value compulsory into 8, into 8, 96 in it, I hope definitely 768 only. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 16, 16 into 6 96, 2 4 6 8, automatically the next number is into 10, into 10. So 768 into 10, the value is 7680. Into 2, into 4, into 6, into 8, next into 10. So the value becomes 7680 is the required answer. If you go for this problem, 2, 3, 7, 22, 8, 9, dash 1. I hope this is nothing but into 1 plus 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Into 1 plus 1, that's why. Next, into 2 plus 1. 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So this is nothing but into 3 plus 1. 7 3 is 21 plus 1, 22. So it becomes into 4 plus 1. So 22 into 4, 88, 88 plus 1, 89. So this becomes into 5 plus 1, into 5 plus 1. So 9 5s are 45, 4 is there, 8 5s are 44, 45 plus this one. So the correct answer is 446 is the correct answer. 446 is the correct answer. Just takes 20 seconds time and write on this one. Now come to these problems. The first one is 3, 4, 10, 33, 136. Here you can observe the value 3 into 1 plus 1 square, I hope. 3 into 1, 3 into 1 plus 1. The value becomes 4. 4 into 2, 8 plus 2. The value becomes 10. 10 into 3 plus 3. 10 into 3, 30. 30 plus 3, 33. It becomes into 4 plus 4. 33 into 4, 132. 132 plus 6, 4, 136. Now it is into 5 plus 5. 136 into 5, 5 6 are 30 is 0. 5 3 is 8, 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 18, 1 is there. 680 plus 5. So the correct answer is 685 is the correct answer. So into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2 and so on. Now come to this problem. 2, 3, 10, 30. This is nothing but into 1 plus 1 square. Into 1 plus 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 only. Into 2 plus 2 square. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2 square is 4, 10. So automatically this one becomes into 3 plus 3 square. 10 into 3, 30. 30 plus 9, 39. So this becomes into 4 plus 4 square. So the required answer is into 5 plus 5 square. So 170 into 5, 5 7 the 5 2s are 10, 1 is there. 7 5 is 35 plus 1, 36, 3 is there. 860 plus 25, 5 square. So the required answer is 885 is the required answer. 885 is the required value. This is the second one. Next 3, 5, 13, 19. So this is into 2 minus 1. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 into 3, 5 into 3, 15 minus 2, 13. So 13 into 4 minus 13 4 is 52. 13 4 is 52 minus 3, 49. Like that. Into 2 minus 1, into 3 minus 2, into 4 minus 3. It becomes into 5 minus 4. Into 5 minus 4. 9 5 is 45. 4 is there. Now 4 is 245. 245 minus 4. The answer is 241. Just take 10 seconds time and write out this one. Now come to these problems. 2, 2, 3, 6, 15 dash. So here 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 1.5, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2.5. 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. The value. So 2.5 next into 3. So the 15 3s are 45 is answer. Here the multiplication is 1 into 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and so on. So the value becomes 45. Come to this problem. 8, 4, 4, 6, 12. It is 8 into 0.5. 8 into 0.5, the value becomes 8 5 is 44. Next into 1. 4 into 1, 4. Next 4 into 1.5. 0.5, 1, 1.5. Next 2. Next into 2.5. Into 2.5. 12 into 2.5, the value becomes 30. So into 0.5, into 1, into 0.5, 1.5 to 2.5. So the value becomes 12.2, that is 30. Now come to this problem. 1 to the power of 0, 1. 2 to the power of 1, 2. 3 to the power of 2, 3 square 9. 4 to the power of 3. 1 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 1, 3 square, 4 cube. This is 5 to the power of 4. Now the next value becomes 6 to the power of 5. The value becomes 6 to the power of 5. 6 to the power of 5. So what is the 6 to the power of 5 value? Nothing but 3776. 3776. This is the value. Now I hope these three was very dead easy. You can do it. Simply 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So automatically 5 with 5 times. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. Come to this one. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Raising the numbers. Just raising the numbers. What is the next number? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Next number, the value becomes 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Raise the numbers. These are decreasing numbers. So decreasing numbers means 2, 7, 6, 5, 6, 5, 4, 543. Next 432 is the answer. 432 is the answer. 1 2 3 see, sorry here, this one 1 2 3 2 3 4 3 4 5, here it is. Next number is 4 4 5 6 is the answer. 4 5 6 answer. With this, number series is over. If you have any doubts, call to my WhatsApp number, this number. Give your doubt to WhatsApp number. I will definitely explain for you. So once again I am telling you, so I am explaining all the number series for you. What next we have to buy the pack of Dice Academy. You have more number of examinations will be there in that one. If you have any doubt, contact to this number. So if you go for ISET or MAT or CAT or TSPSC or anyone, Banger, so these problems are very important, and practice is also more important. That's why what you have to do is go for our package. So more number of problems will be there in the examination. You can write more number of examinations on your application of mobile application only. Thank you all of you. All the best.